Hey everyone, so here's an interesting app called Sketchar, Learn to Draw. So let's just install it and see how it might work. Become a creator, and then in this app you can learn to draw effective, personalized plan and powerful tool set for drawing, student practice, effectively combined in a fun experience. If you want to improve your drawing skills, express yourself through art, try out this app. Of course, it's available also on iPad. Maybe it's even better to use it on iPad. Let's just do a very quick preview, just in case you're considering to get in this app. What can be done here? So, which handed? Let's introduce your name. So, for example, I can just add that. So select apps 3 categories which you like most. So portraits, animals, how artistically skilled, not sure, like super beginner, never tried it. So Sketchar, activate your full access, and then here you can just continue, and then so the app now is starting. It's creating some of the ideas. And then you just need to start your first lesson. So here are different courses which you can see to learn to draw all of these things. And then just like lesson, drawing an alarm clock, drawing a chair step by step, like drawing all of this, but then you need to upgrade to Pro, which is annual $69.99 or weekly $7.99. Sketches. So here you can draw on canvas, and then you can just so there are like, you can really go deep into it. I'm a complete beginner, but I'm just showing you that what you can do here, and then you can just follow the lines probably of this image. And just select different brushes. Okay, that's too big. So something like that. And just move it like this, and then and then just repeat this sketch and try to draw it around. So it can be actually pretty satisfying app, and super interesting. So what you can do then, you can just create art image based. So for example, if I want to create this, okay, so then it doesn't recognize it all the time. If I want to create my face, so then also you can just upgrade with Sketchar to enable free trial. So that's what you can do as well. There are some other tools. There's like AI portrait. You can generate here to like the result, and then you can just generate cartoon, anime, brush. So pretty interesting. So pixel art, AR mask for Snapchat, color recognition. So all of that you can just generate in this app. And of course, then you just have all these courses and lessons, which probably I need to take, or because it's pretty advanced. And you see this cool influencers here on this app, like Lil Nas, where you can learn how to draw all of these interesting images. And then there are also like all these artists here which you can actually follow, I guess. Share this profile and then see their works. You can follow them on Instagram. Yeah, and it's like pretty cool actually. So you can just draw on your phone, especially on newer models or on iPad, and you can create some really amazing art here. And then just showcases in the community. Also, the cool part is that you can use AR technologies here in the app. And then yeah, you can showcase all of this on your TikTok, on your Instagram, and get popular. So yeah, here is your account, and then you can just easily sign up. I didn't even sign up yet. There you have it. So I can just go and sign up, create an account to save your progress. So then yeah, I can continue with Apple, with Snapchat, Facebook. And then yeah, I can just follow some projects here. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. As you can see, it's kind of like a like Instagram as well for drawing. So all my projects are being saved here under my profile. So that's kind of pretty cool. You can use that. And there are more and more tools being added here. Pixel art. Where you can just create stuff like this. Yeah, for example, if you want to create some pixel avatar or something like that, you can just share your art. What is AR? So what does it mean? And then probably you can just use it and just locate it here on the screen. Yeah, using AR technology. So that's already pretty cool. Yeah, so you can play with it a lot with this app, just to yeah, find it out. And yeah, I'm not like a professional artist. I'm just reviewing apps. So just bringing your attention to this cool app. So definitely give it a try. Super exciting. And thank you for watching.